Welcome back to our Python programming series. In today's video, we will be discussing data types, specifically focusing on numbers. Numbers in Python consist of two main types, integers and floating point numbers. Numbers play a fundamental role in Python programming, providing a way to represent and manipulate numerical data. Python offers several built-in data types for working with numbers, allowing developers to perform a wide range of mathematical operations and computations. With previous lessons, we discussed briefly data types like numbers, strings, and boolean. This lesson will be dedicated to numbers. Numbers in Python are split for two main types, integers and floats. Integers are whole numbers without any decimal point. They can be positive, negative, or zero. For example, 6, 2, -7, or 0. Floating point numbers, or floats, represent numbers with decimal points. They can also be positive, negative, or 0. For example, 5.3, 1.5, 10.1, or pi, which is 314. Python uses the float data type to store and manipulate these numbers. Python provides built-in support for performing arithmetic operations on integers and floats, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. In future lessons, we will explore various mathematical functions that Python provides, such as absolute, round, max, min, and random numbers. However, for now, we will focus solely on numbers. To better understand integers and floats, let's dive into some examples. In the first example, we have the integer 6. Python recognizes it as an integer data type. Numbers in Python are versatile and play a crucial role in many programming areas, including mathematical calculations, data analysis, and scientific computing. So all three examples, 6, 14, and 100, are treated by Python as integers. In the next example, we switch to floats. We have numbers like 5.5 and 10.2, which are recognized as floating point numbers. By using the print type 6 function, we can confirm that 6 is an integer, as indicated by the class int output in the console. Similarly, print type 5.5 shows that 5.5 is a float type. If we print a direct input like 5 - 4, then the console output will be the mathematical action, which is subtraction. As I mentioned before, we can perform mathematical calculations using integers and floats. We can subtract, divide, multiply, and create other mathematical expressions. However, if we attempt to subtract a string from a number, we will encounter a type error, as shown in the example. In this lesson, we covered the basics of integers and floats in Python, including their usage and assignment. So to summarize, numbers in Python are a versatile and integral part of the language. They provide the foundation for mathematical computations, data analysis, scientific simulations, and various other applications. To reinforce our understanding, let's complete the assignments. The first assignment is to create an integer variable called number and assign it the value 6. Next, we can use the type function to determine the type of the number variable. Finally, we can create a float variable called myFloat with the value of 1.56 and confirm its type using the type function. By completing these assignments, we can solidify our knowledge of working with integers and floats in Python. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future Python tutorials. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel, and happy coding!